How to change baggage weight in AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change baggage weight in AirAsia. First, go to your web browser. Here you need to search for AirAsia. Scroll down and open the website of airasia.com. Here, on scrolling down, you'll find the option to talk to an agent on your bottom right. Click to open it. You'll need to create an account if you're not its member. Wait for it to start a chat. Now, select the option of travel. Then click on AirAsia flights. By clicking on this arrow on the right, you'll see the option of baggage. Click on it. After that, click on oversized baggage. It will provide you a link having all the necessary details related to it. Then click on purchase checked baggage. You'll need to provide them with your booking number or PNR to complete the process of changing baggage weight. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.